Hello and welcome back to Born Suckers channel. Uh, One thing that we've established here, or I've established some time ago, that we are in the corrective wave, or the ABC correction, currently in natural gas, Henry Hub. And we are going to go over this price action that's been going on in this cup and handle formation at the moment. It looks like the daily today had put in a nice bullish candle, or a bearish candle rather, and we should start to see some movement downward. We're just going to go over this. It's always what's the word I'm looking for? Good to err on the side of caution when it comes to these sort of reversals. It sure looks easy and simple on a daily chart. However, when we get into a finer time frame, which is what a lot of day traders tend to use and watch. Oh, what's going on here? Let me just save this here quickly. Just save that very quickly. Sometimes you've got to reload these charts. And over here on the left side, I've got the 15-minute chart. I believe that to be the top of C, and I'll just show you as to how I came to arrive at these conclusions, and as what's going on here. Part of why I had created this channel, actually the entire reason why I created this channel, is to get away from the spam that a lot of traders or wannabe traders go into, investing.com's chat room and in the forum there and post nonsense, misleading information that is just gobbledygook, and of course all the spam that exists that you have to sift through. And it would be nice to just have a Discord channel of like-minded traders that are just focused on making money and nothing else. And, a little bit of banter here or there. I don't discourage any of that, but we'll get into that a little bit later. I just want to focus on the price action that occurred today. As early this morning, we had established this new high. Now, if you look over here, it is higher than the A wave and of the ABC of the B wave. So that is very common. It looks as if it had not exceeded the high of wave 5, which was at 9.664. Oh, it did. 9.669. I had previously forecasted it to go to 9.69. Whereas a certain member of the chat was constantly saying 1050, 1050, 1050. I think he's hiding under his bed right now. Or maybe he's twerking at the strip club. Who knows? To get a few bucks to come back in here. However, I would like to go over this price action. As we can see, this is very corrective right here. I just want to expand this up, and I'll bring it up onto its own. I'll just save it very quickly. Sometimes you never know. You'll lose that. And just go over this wave here, as I have not even put a trend-based Fibonacci on here. Wave 1, 2, here we are. 3. You also have to keep in mind these corrective waves A, B, and C, they are not going to hit these extensions on the nose. However, this one did come beyond 100% for wave 3 and beyond the 1.618 level, or 161% level for wave 5. Got this nice trend coming down. I'm just going to cover this last leg of wave 5. It is kind of important to know because it does look a little bit deceiving as to where the top is, and all of a sudden it's not letting me use it. Okay, it's not letting me. What is going on? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll change this to a different color, and of course a different like that, huh? Okay, let's just get all of these out of the way here for a second. What does that look like that? Here we got, clone this one, pop it up over. Now keep in mind, folks, I may not have identified here correctly what wave 1 and 2 are right off the bat, but that's okay. That's okay. Well, look at that. Wave 3 just passed the 1.618 level right here at 9:45, and wave 5 pierced the 2.618 level. So now I'm satisfied that this is the high. It put in this candle and almost immediately put in a hybrid candle in the next hour, and clearly shown us a downtrend. And this looks to be a kind of a subdued, smaller wave 5, whereas wave 3 in this case is the longest wave in terms of price range. So what do we focus on next? Because this is this is wave C of B. Okay, look at that. That's what investing.com does sometimes. Which means we are going to, that goes there. Okay. And now as we get down here, we are at wave B, and if it continues to move down, that would give us wave C, which is going to close lower, not necessarily much lower, but lower than wave A. So we're just going to put this back up over here someplace. I anticipate it closing down there somewheres. We're not there yet, but we'll see when we get there. And why is that moving around? Okay. Sometimes these things are much to be desired. Just how they're set up. And I got duplicate colors all over the place. What we'll call this. Make this a nice red. Just like to differentiate. Of course, that's very sloppy. This is just for show, just to show you folks. My charts are much neater and cleaner than this. And so what initially happens is we're going to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on down here, something like this. Now we really particularly want to pay attention to wave 3, as it will be the longest range in price, continuous price action, and it may happen very quickly. So this appears to be wave 1 completed right here, and we can check that. That's not a problem. We're going to just move this onto here, and I'm already approaching the 10-minute mark on the video, and I really haven't accomplished anything. But this looks to be 1, 2, and look at that, 1.618 right at 9:15. And the bottom of that candle looks to be about 9.13 and 7/100 of a cent, so, or 10ths of a cent. So stay tuned here. I'm going to make another video in the next little while. Of course, this is going to be a corrective wave. Again, I cannot stress this enough to you people. I would really like to see you in my Discord community as like-minded traders. We can collectively make money together, and everybody knows where we're going. I just ask that you don't be a noob. You can't come in there not knowing a damn thing and not contribute anything and just soak things up like a sponge and expect to just walk away. Of course, it's free for everybody for now, and just trying it out. The real purpose behind that is to get away from the spam and whatever else is going on in the investing.com community. It's just a lot of things we don't need to see in there that are unrelated to really good, concise trading. So anyway, I don't think I needed to say that. Maybe I said too much already, but you get the idea. Have a look in the description box below for a link to the Discord community. You can also download Discord for free, create an account, and we'll hope to see you there. Thank you, and you have a great day.